HowExpert Guide to Composting. Learn everything about bins, compost use, decomposition, and organic waste from A to Z by HowExpert and Keelan Huang. If you want to learn about composting, then get HowExpert Guide to Composting. Maybe you've just learned about composting, or maybe you knew about it but did not know where to start. This book is your go-to guide to learn all about composting and what it will entail. With easy-to-digest chapters and informative sections, you will learn how to choose a compost bin, whether to put your compost bin indoors or outdoors, hot composting versus cold composting, what organic materials to compost, including greens and browns, wastes that should not be composted, how to begin adding and layering the organic waste to your bin, the importance of aerating your bin, all about what to do after your compost is done decomposing, including sifting and testing the compost, different methods of composting, from using worms to fermenting, commercial composting and how composting works on a large scale, how compost benefits your garden and helps your yard work, the role compost plays in providing nutrients to plants, benefits that compost provides for humans, how compost can save the environment and save you money, why compost can be an important tool in STEM curriculum, and for bettering yourself as a person, the history of compost, from methods used by ancient civilizations to early composters to composting nowadays. Get HowExpert Guide to Composting today. About the expert. Keelan Huang is an avid composting enthusiast and passionate about educating others on the wonders of the natural process of decomposition. She currently has her own vermicompost bin in her New York City apartment that's filled with worms whose names all start with W. In her free time, she acts as a volunteer for her local community garden, which has an enclosed outdoor bin with an aerator. In addition, she also helps out at the New York Botanical Gardens Children's Garden, where she helps kids discover the magic of worms and growing your own vegetables. When she's not composting, Keelan enjoys reading fiction and graphic novels, biking around her neighborhood, traveling by train, and writing snail mail. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit HowExpert.com to learn more.